iTunes 89 here for the third installment of How to Learn Roblox Lua. Today we will be dealing with the for statement. If we have time, we will also be dealing with the if. These are some of the most common statements used in Lua. Okay, delete this. Okay, insert object script. Okay. Now, how a for statement starts is just for. Now, you need to define the variable, so I, then what the variable equals. Okay. Now, 1, I always use 1, start out, and then 1, say, 5. Okay. Then you put a do. So now this for I equals what I equals 1, 5. Okay. This means it will run this 5 times. So do. Now, you always put an end at the very end of these statements. Okay. Now you have to show what's going to be done 5 times. Okay. Now print. Go ahead and say print. Oh, you know what? This would be a great time to use the if statement, actually. Okay. If A equals 1, then, okay. First, we have to define the variable up here. Didn't do that. A equals 1. Okay. Now, why I use 2 equal signs here is this is how to show that something is equal to. When you use this, you actually change it to this. Okay. Now, we will do this. Now. Okay. Now, we'll run this. A equals A plus 1. Okay. That means it will run it the first time, and then it will print A equals 1. Okay, now else is an extension of if. It is telling you that if A right here does not equal 1. Okay? So now we have to say print A not equal 1. Okay. Now this will run this line of code. It will run it 5 times starting from here. Okay, we'll run it 5 times. Now, the first time, it will say that it does equal. Look, see? A equals 1, and then 4 other times, it says that A does not equal 1. So now, you can even show at the end before it ends this. Do print A, and then hopefully if everything goes right, this should equal 5. Okay, now paste into A. That's not what I wanted, but okay, whatever. And quick review: for I equals 1, the starting number, 5, the ending number. You always have to put a do. Now an if is the if, and then whatever has to be, whatever is true or false, whatever seeing is true or false, and then the code that if it's true, and then an else. An else is not, you don't have to put an else if you don't want to. This is else if it does not, if that line of code is not. Also, you can use else if that's just starting another if statement on the else. No need to go into detail on that. Okay, and that's it for today. Remember, rate, subscribe, comment. Tell me what you think could make my videos better. Remember, iTunes 89. Thanks for watching.